Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on Instagram Reels. Want to disable comments on Instagram Reels? In this video I'll show you how to turn off comments on Reels before and after posting. The first step is to turn off comments before posting. And to do that, after editing your reel, let's add a new reel. Let's add on this. Let's click on the reel. You can record a reel. Once you click record, go next. Now here you're gonna click on next. Let's click on next, and you're gonna click on more options, and here you can hide like counts on this reel, hide share counts on this reel also, and you can enable closed captions and etc. You can also turn off toggle the turn off commenting to on in advanced settings and post your reels and comments will be disabled. Now in the second step you can turn off comments on an existing reel, and to do that just go to your profile by going back to your home page. Let's go back and click on your profile picture and open the reel and click on the three dots menu in the top right corner of the reel and click on turn off commenting. As you can see it's the this option right here. As for the third step is to enable the comments. Now if you want to allow comments again, follow the same steps and tap on turn on commenting. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to turn off comments on Instagram Reels. Use this feature to control interactions on your videos. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.